Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can manage video autoplay on Facebook. Maybe you don't want videos in Facebook to autoplay, but you don't know how to manage it. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can manage video autoplay on your Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this home page. To continue, simply tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll be directed into this page. And now what you'll need to do is to scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy. Once you tap on it, select the settings. And now, when you are here, scroll down and under the preferences, you will see here the media. Tap on this media. And then in here, you'll see the autoplay. In here, to manage your autoplay, simply tap on this box. For example, you want your autoplay videos on Wi-Fi only, simply tap on this. And then, if you don't want autoplay videos, tap on this box beside the never autoplay videos. Also, you can see when your battery is low, videos stop playing automatically. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage video autoplay on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage the video autoplay on your Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, sure to subscribe for more videos.